Today I'm reviewing Dentavim. If you've been struggling with bad breath, yellowing teeth, or gum sensitivity, even with good oral hygiene, I know how frustrating it can be. I've been there myself, trying different mouthwashes and toothpaste, but seeing little improvement. That's when I decided to try Dentavim, a natural supplement designed to target the underlying causes of these problems, and I'm genuinely impressed with the results. Within a few weeks, I noticed significant changes. My breath felt fresher throughout the day, and my teeth appeared visibly brighter. What really stood out to me was the improvement in my gum health. I didn't experience the usual discomfort, and my gums felt healthier than before. It was clear that Dentavim was doing more than just masking symptoms. It was tackling the problem from the inside out. The secret behind Dentavim is its blend of natural ingredients, including sulforaphane from Sahara kale, which helps reduce inflammation and protect against pollutants that can damage teeth and gums. Chlorophyta, chlorella, provides antioxidants, supporting the body's ability to cleanse itself and promote overall health. Roselle, hibiscus, reduces stress and boosts brain function, which indirectly benefits oral health. Citrus flavonoids help reduce oxidative stress, supporting digestion and gum health, while Sephora japonica offers over 300 antioxidants to support blood sugar levels and further protect your teeth and gums. A unique ingredient that really stood out to me is jabuticaba, a Brazilian superfruit that helps reduce inflammation and supports gum health. Together, these ingredients work to create a protective shield against harmful toxins and pollutants, promoting long-term oral health. What I love most about Dentavim is that it's simple to take and fits perfectly into my daily routine. And if you're worried about trying something new, Dentavim offers a 90-day money-back guarantee, making it risk-free to see if it works for you. Just make sure to click the official link in the description to get the genuine product and take advantage of this guarantee. If you're ready to transform your oral health and achieve a brighter, fresher smile, I highly recommend trying Dentavim. It's made a real difference for me, and it might be the solution you've been looking for too. Click the link below and start your journey to better oral health today.